gets like that. My foot gets crushed like that, and it's bending wrong.
Okay. All right. You ready? Lean back as much.
Pretty intense moment right now. Pretty intense moment. This man is stuck inside in the sand. He can't get out. Maybe you can use that little shovel to dig yourself out. Use that.
That's all I have to say.
It's like a Saw movie right now. Like
Saw yourself out. Saw yourself out.
This saw isn't meant to get the sand off of me.
I need somewhere to put the
He's gonna kill himself with it if it goes too far.
Ah.
I just want to see him get stabbed.
I'm not gonna stab myself.
Stab yourself.
You can either use that to dig yourself out or, you know, end the pain once and for all.
Oh, my legs are falling asleep. This is not good.
You're a real help, Tyler.
I know.
Wait. There's one last thing we have to do before you get married.
There's one less what?
Are you selling what?
Hello, Tess. Are you taking video, Dave?
Oh, yes. What's in there?
It's warming up.
Yummy food.
Yeah, hot dog.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's all covered in.
Not the food, I'm talking about the light. That's freaking sick.
The light.
The flares, oh, that's so
All
cool.
right, Fuentes, we're good to go here. Can you move the light? That would have been.
No.
Heat is very dangerous to light.
Where are my legs?
You're still in there? Where are my legs? No!
I can't find my legs.
It's a magic trick.
You wanted to play a game.
This is where his legs are.
Anthony, the legs are crazy.
Go, come on, hurry up.
You know, that would be a good
There you go.
Saw situation is like, someone thinks that they can't feel their legs because they're asleep and they keep digging, but their legs are just gone.
Like that, go away, never mind, that was a scary movie. He digs out his, cuts off his leg.
Oh, I can't even.
You're like Baywatch with those shorts. You gotta run in the water like Hasselhoff.
Here's the shell.
Did we go to the water?
I think so.
I'm probably gonna.
This beach looks eternal with this lens.
I need.